All right, what's going on, everyone? We're trading NASDAQ during PM session today. You can see here we've basically just dumped super far all the way below. If I go to the hourly though, one thing that's kind of making me think we might get a good reaction is we're holding this hourly 200 SMA and we've already swept liquidity over here to the left. So now that we've gone this big dive or deep dive down, for me to sell, I would need it back into discount, which would be, let's see, it would be all the way up here at 19. Basically 900. So we haven't come back up into there. So because of that reason, I'm thinking about trying to scalp some buys down here to aim for the equilibrium. So as I kind of went down lower time frames, you could see the 15 to 30 minute. There's no top wick. So I like this kind of pullback and I'm waiting to see a rejection. I kind of want to hop in to the trade just to even see if I could play it up to even the 100% on the fib. You know what I'm saying? Just this nice little move right in here. Taking a buy right within here. A little 25 bit stop loss. Maybe a little bit bigger of a stop loss. The candles are kind of big today. But this is ideally what I'm looking for. Obviously, I have my broker open. Live account looking to get in. So I'll obviously show you guys me executing if I do end up getting in. Starting to get some sort of reaction here. Like I said, I just like the idea. But I do want a bigger stop loss though. There's still, I guess this get filled. Yeah. So I might enter, but I'm gonna have kind of a bigger stop loss, go maybe double what I usually do. So instead of 25 points, doing like a 50-point stop loss like that, going for that 1-to-1 up in here. You know what I'm saying? I'm definitely liking these reactions, these rejections. Let's see if I do 10 lots, 10.0. And you guys see right over here, let me put it right here. This is the price level. I have it up on my other screen. Let's see, am I looking to enter? Let's go down to like the 1 minute M1. M1's looking pretty good, guys. So I'm just going to place that buy order right here as we're kind of pushing back up. And you can see right here, I'm now in the position. We can go over here to open trades. And you can see we are now in here. So you guys see the P&L floating. I'm basically just going to wait to see what we can do. Let's wait to see. Let's wait to see. NASDAQ buys 10 lots. Starting to push down a little bit, but at least you guys know I have that up there. And let's run it. So I actually got in right in here. It's off from the trading view prices, but let's wait and see. Let's wait and see what we can get. Come on, just keep projecting. Hourly, keep projecting. Like, I want this hourly to go bullish, bro. It would be so sick. Last candle closed bullish, and basically I have my stops under the previous hourly lows. We can see if we sweep them before coming up, but I wanted this hourly honestly to come and break highs. I'm being truthful. Oh, I might scale in right here. On chat, I might scale in. We're getting another buy position. Place new order. 10.0. Place buy order. All right, guys, scaled in. Here, reason being is the 50-point stop loss is almost towards these ultimate lows. So I'm expecting us to get some sort of push. And if I get a push with the second position, I'll actually be back to break even before this position is even back at break even, because I'll be making profits from this position I just entered. So I'm hoping to see a push here. Right. There we go, chat. All right, so like I said right here, what did I say? Reason to get in that scale position was, now you can see here I'm up 18 or 2,000 on this position. Now this one's only down 1,200. So my P&L is fluctuating, but I'm actually obviously in profit due to the fact that, you know, my scaling position is now larger than my original entry right here. So yeah. All right, guys, you see your TP smash on that first position. Very, very good scaling. You can see up here, I'm up $7,000. Up here, I guess I got to show the live account just because I know so many people are going to say some stuff. You can see here, balance, live account. You can see here, floating. Here's my P&L. Floating around 7,000, guys. All you need is these little moves. I could get out. But I want to see if we can come up into here because I'm still following my position from the original position, right? Like I got in here originally just because I scaled in here doesn't mean when I get out on this push, I want it to go a little bit higher and still hit TP for that first position. And then bro, I could be out from there because I'm actually in double the risk because I'm in double positions. And now I just think that this is going to pull back. You know, you could draw a fib like this. I'm hoping that this just pulls back into here to continue. Let me stop by 8 p.m. Chat, we are flying. You guys can see here we're up $11,000 now. This is crazy. Like I said though, guys, you guys have a plan, you stick to it. I did not mind. I got in a little prematurely up here. There was no liquidity swept. As you can see, as we came down and swept liquidity under here, tapped into the 786, we've now come up and hit TP1 of our previous position. This was a good wick up and we did hit that first TP, like I said, but I am waiting for us to get a little bit more in profit before I close. I could close some partials, but I'm waiting to see. Actually, I guess we are tapping in. Let's go see if we are tapping into maybe no, we are on the 1 minute. So there is a supply right here, but the supply's already been touched. You can see here, we already tapped it here and rejected. Now we actually came back up in to the zone, which actually gives me a little bit more conviction to hold it a little longer. But so this is a good tip also, guys. So you guys can see here, I have my lower entry right here. That obviously is in more profit, and this is the first entry. When it comes to closing partials, I actually want to close partials of this entry. Why? The reason I actually want to come and close partials of this position is because the entry is higher. So if price does come back, I don't mind this first position getting stopped out at break even and still holding my original full entry up here. So we're actually still flying. So we'll see. Yeah, boom. I mean, TB hit again. You guys can see up here floating $12,000. Crazy, 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 crazy. All here on the stream. All right, so we're starting to reject above this high, guys. Like I said, this $4,700 position, I'm going to come here. I'm going to close half my position, which would be 10 right here, 5. Submit. So you guys can see here, go to order. You can see here, half the position's been closed. So $2,000 already closed of that. And I'm actually going to close some of this original position now because of that rejection. Let's go here and close another. Let's just close, honestly, just close 3 lots of this one. Submit. So you guys can see here, out of the 2 orders, we can go to account history. Account history, you can see here, $2,200 closed on this position and $2,300 closed on that position. Now we're going to start going up. But with that being said, we can come here and put stop loss to break even. Which position was this? Jump back over to the open trades though, guys. But you can still, you guys can see here, P&L still floating. We're still going crazy. Let's keep growing, guys. $5,000, $6,000, $7,000. Going up, going up, going up. This trade was obviously called by NASDAQ as well in my signals channel, of course. Easy, 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 easy. You can see that, basically 45. So $4,500 already closed. I didn't like the rejections up in this basically supply area. So close partials, but letting the rest run and break even. We'll see if we can continue down, but I wanted to come and show you guys open trades. You can see here on the open trades, going crazy. Jump back over to the position. Absolutely killer. All right, Chad, you guys can see we're continuing to fly. We go over here to NAS. We're still back up in this TP1 area. Partials closed. Still just gonna let my position run. You can see here, I'm expecting it to go higher. You know, still up almost $9,000. Absolutely crazy. Loving it. Push, 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 push. Like I said, we had already rejected this supply, so I had more conviction that we're just going to continue to fly all the way through it. Nothing to hide. This isn't like a freaking, I don't know, stale, logged in, whatever. Real web browser, floating 12,000, almost 13,000. Still flying. Live account. Stop playing with the kid. This is absolutely crazy, guys. $17,000 floating. This is so wild. Come out here. Oh, I don't know why I did that. You guys can't see on the OBS. So once again, live account. You can see the P&L floating. Guys, partials have already been closed. Imagine if I was still in that full position if I didn't close half the positions. I'd be up. This would be one of my biggest days ever. Wow, this is crazy. This is absolutely wild, guys. Check out the position now. Absolutely flying. Let's see if we're gonna get this TP3 out of here. Oh, it already hit. Just kidding. TP3 already hit. All right, chat, the time has come. We go to the 15-minute time frame. You can see here we are correcting the leg, but if we do draw a fib down, you can see here that we are starting to get into discount in a second, and discount is what I was aiming for in this position. If you remember at the very beginning, that I was playing this retracement back into discount. I'm happy with my profits. You guys can see here, I'm up over $17,000. So I'm not going to close fully because there's no reason to, but you can see here, I still have 7 lots on here. I'm going to close another 4 lots, submit. And then on this one as well. Oh wait, I just closed the whole position? What just happened? Wait, account history. Oh, well, there goes one of the positions. You can see here though, guys, P&L for today, $11,222 so far. Pop up over to open trades. We have $6,300 still floating. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm looking to come over here. Oh, I must have clicked the X. I'm so stupid. And we'll do another 2 lots on this. Actually, what is this? We still have another 5 lots running. Well, I definitely want to at least put stops to break even at least. So let's go to here. We'll go to stop loss, and then here we'll go to stop loss. All right, you guys can see stop loss has been added to your trade. Stops at break even. Go let this 5 lot run. It's $6,000 though, which is a lot to leave on the table. I'm gonna let it actually get to discount. Maybe I'll close another 2 and let the 3 run just to see if we correct this move. Probably take my final partials at the New York highs, but that is a long ways away. And if it does go that far, we're gonna make a whole nother bag. So hope you guys like this trade breakdown and live trading of, you know, getting into the first position, getting back into the scale in, just to watch it eat overall. So absolutely beautiful setup. We're gonna see here if we can actually get the pullback into discount, and then from there we shall see what is going on. But beautiful trade breakdown, beautiful execution, beautiful everything. Price still flying, stops to break even, you know, almost $7,000 still on the freaking table. What a freaking day. But appreciate y'all. Thank you guys for watching. More content coming soon. I'm going to be doing a lot more of this live trading stuff. So make sure you stay tuned. And if you need anything, click that link below if you guys want to take my trades. If you guys need any help or want any questions about my strategy or anything, just DM me. There's a bunch of videos on my YouTube, all that type of stuff. So appreciate y'all. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Alright, so you guys can see we're now at $9,000 profit. I wanted to close around the 10%, but if we come over here, you can see that we already had a huge extension. And although we're pulling back, we have such equal highs up here that I think we're just pulling back into discount to continue higher. So you guys already saw I've closed the majority of my position. I'm gonna let the 9,000 run. My stops are break even, so I'm not gonna lose anything, but I do not want to get hit break even on the position. So we'll see what's gonna happen. But as of now, we're gonna hold. We're still at the gym. Going crazy.